guys, today we are going to be filming a first video
about slime.
and we both have our own accounts. Mine is Siani Aranda.
And mine is Sky Aranda.
First thing you'll be needing is glue. And you'll also be needing shaving cream, food coloring, borax solution, something to mix in, and something to mix with.
Now we learn our lesson by adding borax and borax.
Okay, then we're gonna shave it. This is the melted glass. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you make it really dark. Shaving cream won't get all yours. Keep mixing it. Mine is done mixed. Okay, so spray your hot water and borax solution.
It doesn't need to be hot water.
But we use hot water just in case it's better, so it makes the borax dissolve, so your hands won't get like itchy everywhere.
Oh yeah, I heard it from my friend that
Yeah, but if you put it slime, it doesn't matter because the water is touching it. Okay, so we are going to like mix these together. So, okay, so we're gonna focus the camera. This is how the slime looks.
oh, I remember we did the same thing.
Yeah, it looked like this other before. It's really nice color. Just some more of this.
Sound though.
Okay, we're gonna do ASMR.
After a little while of showing you guys the slime,
We just wanted to end this video.
and we can see you in another video.
We are going to film another video, so don't worry. So I hope you guys like, comment,
Subscribe.
and subscribe. Bye!